Today we'll be showing you how to crimp Commscope 2227V RG6 quad cable using Perfect Vision universal F connector ends and these tools. Although these are expensive tools, these do not work very well. Go for the cheaper end. They're going to help you out. Take and cut the end of your cable like so. Use your strippers to strip the appropriate size out. As seen in the video here. You're going to use Velcro, push back all your little metal ends. Now you're going to cut the inner shielding out and push down. Brush back all your metal ends as you did before. Now you're going to take one of your F connectors, generic, push in like so. Screw the F connector in to your universal tool and push. As you can see, the cable is in there nicely. Go ahead and use the cheaper crimpers like so. And there, that is how you crimp Comex quad shield cable.